Have you ever stopped to wonder how your body does what it does, every second of every day, without you even having to think about it? It's like a bustling city that never sleeps, with trillions of cells working tirelessly to keep you alive and well. We are magnificent biological machines, with a complexity that rivals the most advanced supercomputers. Our bodies are composed of various systems, each with a unique role in maintaining our health and vitality. The nervous system, our body's command center; the circulatory system, the life-sustaining highway of blood; the digestive system, our personal kitchen, and so many more. These systems work in perfect harmony, a testament to the marvel that is the human body. But how exactly do they function? What makes us tick? In this video series, we'll unravel these mysteries, demystifying the incredible inner workings of our bodies. Now, brace yourself as we dive into the intricate world of the human body. Imagine a bustling city. The nervous system is like the traffic control center of that city, coordinating all the activities. In this metropolis of life, the brain is the mayor, the ultimate control center. It's a dynamic hub that processes information, makes decisions, and sends out commands. Picture it like the city hall, where all the important decisions are made. The nerves, they are the roads, highways, and interstates of this city. They form an intricate network, connecting all parts of the body to the brain. These are not your average roads, though. They are superhighways, capable of transmitting messages at breathtaking speeds. Just as cars carry people and goods along the highways, nerve cells, or neurons, carry information along these neural superhighways. They ferry messages from the sensory organs like your skin and eyes to the brain, and then carry commands back from the brain to your muscles and organs. Think of neurons as the city's taxis, shuttling messages back and forth. Each neuron is like a super-fast taxi, zipping along the neural pathways, delivering messages from the brain to the farthest reaches of your body, and then racing back with new information. But how do these messages travel along the nerves? They do so through electrical signals. These signals are generated when a neuron is stimulated, say by a touch or a sound. The signal then zooms along the neuron until it reaches the end, where it triggers the release of chemicals. These chemicals cross a tiny gap to the next neuron, stimulating it and passing on the message. This relay race of electrical signals and chemical releases happens in a flash, faster than the blink of an eye. It's this speedy communication system that allows you to react quickly to your surroundings, like pulling your hand away from a hot stove or catching a falling glass. So the next time you move your hand, remember the superhighway that made it possible. Realize that every movement, every sensation, every thought is the result of a flurry of messages zipping along your body's superhighways, coordinated by the traffic control center that is your brain. So, next time you move your hand, remember the superhighway that made it possible. If the nervous system is the traffic control center, then the circulatory system is the diligent postman, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell. Imagine our body as a bustling city, where each cell is a unique house with specific needs. The circulatory system, in this case, takes on the role of a dedicated postman. Its task is to ensure that each house cell receives the right mail, which in our body's context is oxygen and nutrients. At the heart of this delivery system is the central post office, our heart. This tireless organ pumps out packages of oxygen and nutrients to the entire city, making sure that every house gets what it needs to function properly. But how does this mail reach its intended recipients? That's where the roads come into play. In our body, these roads are the blood vessels, forming a vast network of highways, main roads, and tiny alleys. The larger vessels, our arteries, carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the various parts of the body. Like main roads leading out of a central hub, they branch off into smaller vessels, the capillaries, reaching each and every cell. And just like a postman, our circulatory system doesn't just deliver, it also picks up. The return mail in this case is carbon dioxide and other waste materials that our cells produce. These are collected by our veins, the roads leading back to the heart, and are then transported to the lungs and kidneys for disposal. It's truly a marvel, isn't it? This intricate postal service that operates within us, round the clock, without us even noticing. It's a system that never sleeps, never takes a break, and is always on the move, ensuring that our body, our city, runs smoothly and efficiently. Every time your heart beats, it's like the postman going on another delivery round. So the next time you feel your pulse, remember the diligent postman within you, always on the job, ensuring you are alive and kicking. Ever thought of your body having its own kitchen? That's what the digestive system is. Imagine, if you will, a bustling kitchen. The head chef, your mouth, is the first to receive the ingredients, the food you eat. It begins the preparation process, chopping and grinding with the help of the teeth, and mixing it all up with saliva, starting the process of breaking down the food. Then the sous chef, the esophagus, takes over. It transports the food down into the stomach, which we can think of as a sort of mixing bowl. Here, the food gets mixed with stomach acids and digestive enzymes, breaking it down further into a semi-liquid mixture. This is not unlike how a chef would stir and mix ingredients to create a delicious dish. Next, this mixture is passed on to the small intestine, the expert saucier of our body's kitchen. It works to break down the mixture even further with the help of the pancreas, the liver, and the gallbladder, our kitchen's trio of prep cooks. They all produce vital enzymes and bile that help in the digestion process. The small intestine then absorbs the nutrients from the food, much like how a good sauce enhances and brings out the flavors in a dish. The large intestine, or the colon, is like our kitchen's dishwasher. It cleans up, absorbing the remaining water and electrolytes from the indigestible food matter and forms it into stool. Finally, the rectum and the anus, our body's kitchen's back door, dispose of the waste, the final step in our culinary journey. What we have, in essence, is a highly efficient internal kitchen that prepares, cooks, and cleans up after every meal, providing our cells with the nutrients they need to function. So the next time you eat, think about the kitchen crew inside your body, working hard to prepare that meal for your cells. Isn't it amazing how our bodies work seamlessly like a well-oiled machine? We've journeyed through the intricate highways of our nervous system, the diligent postman that is our circulatory system, and the bustling kitchen of our digestive system. In the nervous system, our body's superhighway, millions of nerve impulses travel at breakneck speed, coordinating our movements, thoughts, and sensations. Then in the circulatory system, our body's postman, oxygen-rich blood is diligently delivered to every cell, sustaining life and promoting health. Our journey doesn't end there, though. In the digestive system, our body's kitchen, complex molecules are broken down into simpler ones, providing the fuel we need to power through our day. Each system, while distinct and specialized, is also interconnected and interdependent, working in harmony to keep us functioning at our best. So, the next time you marvel at a bustling city, a diligent postman, or a busy kitchen, remember the marvel that is your own body, working tirelessly day and night.